Alrighty guys, so now I'm going to be moving on to the last example problem. This is problem number 4 out of my little sheet. I'm actually skipping the third one because I realized it has an error with it, so yeah, let's do this. Okay, so you want to prove that n cubed minus n is even for all integers n. So we would first start with a direct approach. And so we would actually set up two cases where so n is even numbers and n is odd numbers. So for even numbers, that's case 1. So n equals 2j, then n cubed minus n would be n. So n is 2j, n cubed minus n would be written as 2j cubed minus 2j. And from there, we can simplify that to 2 cubed j cubed minus 2j. And I'm sorry, I think I'm writing a bit too small. I'll try to write a little bit bigger. So now from here, we can actually simplify. We can, of course, remember that because we want to prove that it's even, we want to simplify to 2 times something. So we can do that by factoring out a 2 equals 2 squared j cubed minus 2, minus j, and that looks right. So there, it's so of course we can plug in 2p, let's plug in p for the value of this, and then you would have it be equal to 2p, and by definition 2 times any number will always be even. So case 1, n is an even number, then n cubed minus n is an even number, proven. Now let's start with case 2. I'll actually zoom in a little bit. Case 2 is n is odd, so 2k plus 1, then n cubed minus n will be written as 2k plus 1 cubed minus. And now we would have to multiply this out, because remember that you want to prove that n cubed minus n is even, so you'd want to simplify it to a form of 2 times something. So we would have to, yeah, the only option is to multiply it out. So we would use the formula and see that this is, sorry, I'm kind of looking at the formula right now. So, okay, 2k cubed plus 3 2k squared. Oh, give me 1 second. Times 1 plus 3 2k times 1 squared plus 1 cubed. So that's this whole thing written out. And then we of course subtract this. Will be subtract 2k minus 1. There you go. Now we can simplify it further. So 2 cubed k cubed plus cancel out the ones. We write it out as, let me just take this away. Oh, so here we can, at this point we can already take out a 2, so 2 squared k cubed plus what I did there is all I did was I just factored out a 2 from here to get to here, and of course we can write this as what's a new variable, um, c. So it becomes 2c, and by definition 2c will always be even, so we just prove that for any odd number n, uh, uh, n cubed minus n will be even. So there, we just finished our proof. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you learned something from it. Remember that if you need any, if you find any of the topics tricky, just message me on Discord and I should get back to you as soon as I can. And definitely check out my Canvas page where I post all the videos. That should be of some help to you. Thank you guys for watching.